Okay, so we have a quick little demonstration here. So I have three glasses. This first glass has my total energy in it, and I'm going to call it my potential energy right now. I tried to find a glass that was a little bit not so nicely balanced like the others. Therefore, I'll call it gravitational potential energy because it has the potential to tip over. Okay, right? Because potential is stored energy. So this represents my stored potential energy and my total energy in this glass full of water, right? So I'm going to take this and I can't add any energy to it. I can't lose any energy, but I can transfer the energy. So I'm going to take this energy and I'm going to transfer it into kinetic energy. This would be my kinetic glass. So the potential changed into kinetic energy. We had to transfer energy. I didn't lose any. I didn't add any. It's the same amount of total energy. This can be another form of potential energy, such as elastic or chemical potential energy. And it can change back. Again, I didn't lose any energy. I didn't gain any energy. I just transferred that amount of total energy, but it remained the same. Could even pour some kinetic, change into kinetic, some of that energy, and some remained potential. It's still the same amount of total energy. Now, even if I add a little, oh, jeez. Oh boy, oh boy. You know what? Actually, I won't even wipe this up yet. Because even though I spilled some of that water, it's still all there. I really didn't lose it. I really didn't gain any, but I did transfer it. So therefore, the law of conservation of energy states that energy can't be created. It can't be destroyed, but it can change from one form to another. So all the energy that we already have here in the universe just exists here. We just maneuver it around. Oh boy, I think I hear my wife coming. I better clean this up.